What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a little different. It's not going to be about the lawn per se. If you guys remember my last video I uploaded, I was at my brother-in-law's house, and recently when I was there again, I noticed he had a palm tree in the front. I was kind of leaning over a bit, so I told him, hey, if you like, I can try to stake your tree and hopefully we can save it, So he said, yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. And I decided I'm gonna go ahead and record it for you guys, and hopefully it's something you might want to look at and enjoy. But before I get started, I just want to do a quick reminder that I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys watching, please hit that subscribe button right now, and you're going to enter your chance to win a giveaway. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, guys, so here's a tree that I'm going to attempt to save, hopefully. But you guys let me know in the comments if you guys think this is even worth saving, or if I should just pull it out. But I'm going to go ahead and stake this tree and tie it up, and hopefully we can bring it back alive. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I got the tree nice and staked up. I'm just going to show you real quick what I used. I used this stake. It's actually a little bit taller. Originally it's like 8 feet tall, but as you can tell, I cut it to about half, or maybe, yeah, about 4 feet. And I went ahead and staked it in the ground, and then I found this nice little strap at Home Depot. It's only like 3 something, and I like it because you can, I don't know if you can see right here, it's got different little slots so you can adjust it however you like. And it seems pretty secure, guys. I don't think it should be going anywhere. Hopefully, like I said, we can get those roots nice and strong, and it'll be able to hold up itself. But like I said before, guys, let me know in those comments if you guys even think it's worth saving, or if I should just pull this out. Alright guys, and before I go, I just want to remind you guys real quick, don't forget I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.